Hey guys, welcome to BMEG Magnet Channel. Today, let's talk about something annoying. Magnets that just give up. You know, they get weak, can't hold anything, become basically useless. Actually, magnets like neodymium are permanent magnets. If you treat them well, they can easily last several years or even decades. But if you mess up on a few things, they can die in months or even weeks. Oh, no. So what kills a magnet? Let me tell you 4 real reasons. First one, heat. I don't mean crazy volcano heat. Even moderate heat can hurt many magnets. Each magnet has a maximum working temperature. Go past that, and the tiny magnetic domains inside get all scrambled. They lose their alignment, and that alignment is what makes the magnet strong. For regular neodymium magnets, 80 degrees Celsius is already risky. Some cheaper magnets break down even sooner. Once heat over them, most never recover. So never leave magnets near hot motors, in a car under summer sun, or next to a welder. But if your magnets must operate in a high-temperature environment, how to address this issue? You can get heat-resistant magnets. Different grades handle different temperatures. For example, standard neodymium might die at 80 degrees Celsius, but high-temp grades can go up to 150 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Celsius, or even higher. And if you go with samarium cobalt, some can handle over 350 degrees Celsius. So here's what I want you to do. If you're not sure what magnet you need for your hot application, just comment below with your product's operating temperature. I'll reply personally with what grade you should look for. Second, physical damage. And this doesn't just mean dropping them. Even normal use can break a magnet if you're not careful. For example, you have 2 strong magnets. You let them snap together too hard, or you put one near a steel plate and it flies off and smashes into something. That impact can crack or chip the magnet. Neodymium magnets contain a large amount of rare earth materials. They're not like steel, they're closer to ceramic. Hard, but brittle. So treat them like glass. Use spacers. Don't let them slam together, and never toss them loose in a drawer. Third, rust and corrosion. Neodymium magnets contain about 60% iron, so they rust easily. When the surface corrodes, the magnetic material turns into non-magnetic iron oxide. That means you're literally losing magnetic material. Once rust starts eating the surface, the magnet becomes weaker over time. Sometimes it crumbles into dust. If you use magnets outdoors or in wet conditions, always get coated ones. Nickel, epoxy, rubber. And these coated magnets can all be found on our website. Last one, other magnetic fields. Yes, a strong external magnetic field can mess up your magnet. For example, if you bring a powerful neodymium magnet next to a weaker ferrite magnet, the strong one can actually realign or misalign the weak one's domains. It gets confused. Also, alternating magnetic fields, like from an AC coil or a degaussor, will kill magnets very quickly. That's exactly how degaussers work, by the way. So don't store magnets near big motors, transformers, or other very strong magnets pointing the wrong way. So to sum it up, avoid heat, don't bang them, protect from rust, and watch out for external fields. Do that, and your magnets will last for years. One last thing, all the magnets mentioned above are available for purchase on our website. If you're interested, feel free to buy as needed. Okay, that's the end. If you found this video helpful, please hit subscribe and give it a like. See you next time.